today we can do more.
Next to Diners Monday, a pile of much-needed supplies continues to grow.
We have lots of winter clothes, coats, blankets, pillows.
For Natalia Batarova and her husband, Ibrahim Ernurli, the owners of Café Turkiye on Broadway, it has been an emotional week watching the latest images of search and rescue teams in Turkey. They had to do something.
Donating some items, you're welcome.
Thank you, we really appreciate it.
Goodbye.
This Astoria couple started collecting supplies to send to earthquake victims overseas last week. It's a labor of love, deeply personal and emotional for them. Ernurli is from Turkey and has loved ones lost.
You know, we have lots of course, like families, friends, and in the other cities, unfortunately, we lost them.
Through the pain, they continue to work and serve their community here in Astoria.
We'll be right with you.
Through their action, there is a little relief. They expected some to give, and as you can see, most of their customers open their hearts and the donations keep pouring in.
Some shoes in there too.
Thank you so much, we appreciate it. Thank you.
I felt sorry for the children, the parents, and nobody having any clothes.
What's really needed now? Sleeping bags, jackets, and tents. They're working with the nonprofit called Queens Together. Jonathan Forgash is the executive director.
It has only been open for a year now in Astoria, and already they're a really important part of the communities.
Working now with the Turkish consulate in New York, the next shipment to be airlifted to Turkey later this week.
They're doing this amazing earthquake response, helping neighbors back home. On top of that, they're helping neighbors here. They're part of the Queens Together Restaurant Month coming up in March, and they are supporting food relief here in Queens by giving discounts to neighbors. They're really good people, and the food is fantastic.